Hi guys, welcome back to my channel guys. If it's your first time coming across my video, my name is Precious, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to click that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any video from me. Yeah guys, and if you are my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to support me. In today's video guys, doing a hair tutorial Bantu knot, and in France guys it's quite hot here, so I need something simple and classic. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what I want. So what I'll do first is I'll go ahead and brush my hair. Yeah, and I'm going to section the hair. I don't need too much. I think I will need like 15 pieces. 15, I think that's all I want. So what I'll do first is to section my hair from the back. And yes guys, this is the first part. This is the first one. I'm just going to wrap it around. I don't want it to be straight. I want something like this. So this is the second one. So guys, I'll just go ahead and divide the last one. So guys, we'll go ahead and use this Daz hair cream to give my scarf that shiny look. We'll start with the front of the hair guys. I will go ahead with my Canty Shea Butter Gel. I'll go ahead and pack the hair with my rubber band.
I'll just twist the hair.
Guys, I will just leave you guys to enjoy the video and watch for yourself, because I'm literally repeating the same process. doing it now. Voila, it's finished. So I will advise, if you are doing it, you should do this. Can you guys see? I'm trying to shocking my hair inside because I don't want my hair to be obvious. So I'm trying how to shocking the hair inside. My hair is still coming out. I can see my hair here, but it doesn't really matter. Oh God, who is doing that now? Stop. Ah. I don't know what's that. Yeah guys, This is the hair. So I'll go ahead and do some baby face. Well, if you are like me, I love baby hair. I don't really know how to do it very well, but actually I like them. Head and trim some excess. We don't really need that. And yeah, so let me go and beat my face a little bit, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, this is the finished look of the hair. Can you guys see? Can you see that? Can you guys see that? Like,
I know you are with me, yeah. Don't you see that?
if you are not following me on Instagram, I don't know what you are waiting for, because all the pictures I'm going to be taking with this hair will be on my Instagram. Better go and follow me, guys, so you see all the cute pictures I'm going to take with this hair. And please, if you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I know you are with me, yeah.